Hey guys, what I'm going to show you here is you could vacuum seal some of your meats, put them in the freezer without using the vacuum machine. I'm going to show you what I can do here. These are Ziploc bags, not a name brand, okay, bootleg, but if you get a good brand and seals really good, it'll work a lot better. Okay, what I'm going to do here is have a pot of water, put the meats that are in your bag right there. I sealed most of it up except for a little piece of little air out there. What you do, you take it, dunk it in the pot of water. So as you take the pot of the water there, you're going to notice that it squeezes all the air out. There you go. Little by little, it's going to squeeze the air out. And you want to get the air out towards that corner. Oh, you have the little slice, that little open right there. Okay, if you notice, it's almost vacuum sealed already, see? You can move it around a little bit, get more air out of it. Okay, so squeeze it right to the top over here. If I had two hands, it'll be a lot easier. You want to get all the air out as much as you can. There you go. Once it's sealed, if you got the other Ziploc bags and you squeeze it together, you can squeeze it together, it'll come out pretty good. Look at that. See that? Got majority of the air out of it. The bag is sealed, and you don't have to go and spend all that money on a machine. All right, I'm going to show you some meats that are already frozen already downstairs in my freezer. Hold on. All right, so these are the ones I have already in my freezer. These are a good brand, Ziploc bag, nice and tight. All right, you can see they're frozen. That's still nice and ready. All right, almost as good as a vacuum seal machine, except it's cheaper. All right, that's it. Just my little tip there. If you want to save some meat. Ciao.